How to log into your FedEx MySchedule account. If you want to keep track of your deliveries being delivered to you through FedEx, then the MySchedule section of FedEx can be of great help to you. So what you need to do is open up your web browser, search for FedEx MySchedule login, and you can see the first search result, which is from FedEx, and make sure that it says /MySchedule. You can click on this link and it's going to take you to the login section. Now in the first box, type in the username of your account, and in the second box, type in the password. If you have forgotten your username or your password, click on the Need Signing Help option and then click on Manage Password. And from this section, you can reset your password either through your mobile number or your email address. Once you type in both of these information, you can just click on Sign In and you'll be successfully signed in to your FedEx MySchedule account. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily guide videos that we post. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.